I'm Mariateresa Coppola. I'm originally from Italy and now work in the Netherlands. The ECDN, it's an amazing opportunity for me to not only network with other female researcher in my same stage of career, but also to get inspiration from senior professors and also CEO from companies and having workshop on developing our soft skills.
How was the Unstoppable Confidence workshop?
I cannot wait to say how much, how fantastic was that workshop. It's really boosting your energy, boosting your way of talking with people. And it went very deep in our core beliefs. And I think that everyone benefit from the people that were more outspoken to the one that were more introverts. I love being a validated members because you can really get to know people also on a personal level, and I think that this is really making a difference on how you can collaborate with people. And we are not talking only about Europe or US, but there are more than 60 countries present, so it expands there are more than 80 countries present, and it's just expanding your way of looking at the world, the science, and research. The ECR workshop is useful as it's very pertinent for what I'm doing right now. So I'm writing for personal grants. So getting to know extra tricks on how to reshape my CV and make sure that I can achieve what I want to do in my career. I would say validate is a barrier breaker.